Introducing 17 Things Women Only Do When They Are in Love with Men. Love is a universal experience shared by both men and women, and one common fear we all have is the possibility of unreciprocated feelings. For men, understanding women can often feel like an enigma, as their minds work in mysterious ways, and navigating the labyrinth of complex emotions can make it challenging to decipher a woman's true feelings towards you. While it is often believed that women fall in love faster than men, the reality is that both genders have unique ways of falling in love and expressing it. So how can you genuinely gauge her feelings for you? Look out for subtle yet delightful clues that unveil her true love. Here are 17 signs that she is truly in love with you. Sign 1. She engages in acts of affection. Love is often expressed through physical affection. She will show her love by holding your hand, hugging you, cuddling, or engaging in romantic gestures. Her touch and affectionate actions convey a deep emotional connection. Sign 2. She talks about a future together. When a woman envisions a future with you, it signifies her profound love and commitment. She will discuss long-term plans, dreams, and aspirations that involve both of you. This shows that she sees you as a significant part of her life and wants to build a future together. Sign 3. She prioritizes quality time with you. Spending quality time together is essential in a loving relationship. She will make it a priority to carve out time for just the two of you, creating opportunities for meaningful conversations, shared experiences, and strengthening your bond. Sign 4. She shows genuine interest in you. A woman who loves you will want to know everything about you, even the smallest details. She values your thoughts, dreams, and fears, considering them important aspects of your bond. Sign 5. She stands by you during tough times. True love stands strong in the face of adversity. When you're going through challenging moments, she won't abandon you. Instead, she'll help you regain your strength and find your way back to happiness. Sign 6. She makes sacrifices for you. When a woman willingly engages in self-sacrifice for your well-being, it exemplifies her profound love. Prioritizing your needs above her own, she exhibits unwavering dedication and a strong commitment to your happiness. Sign 7. She accepts you completely. A woman who truly loves you accepts you for who you are, flaws and all. She understands that nobody is perfect and that you make mistakes. She embraces your imperfections and helps you grow as a person. Sign 8. She cares for you maternally. Women possess a natural nurturing instinct, and when they love someone, they become protective and caring. It shows that she genuinely wants to ensure your well-being. Sign 9. She goes the extra mile to make you smile. Small gestures can have a big impact. She'll put in the effort to surprise you, support you, and make you happy. Whether it's a surprise visit, a thoughtful text, or planning something special, she'll do whatever it takes to bring a smile to your face. Sign 10. She respects your independence. While she loves being a part of your life, she also respects your need for independence. She encourages you to pursue your individual interests, friendships, and personal growth, understanding that a healthy relationship allows room for personal freedom. Sign 11. She considers you a priority. While she may not put you above everyone else right away, she takes your relationship and your feelings into account. She includes you in important events and ensures you feel valued. Sign 12. She values your loved ones. She respects and cherishes the people who are important to you. She makes an effort to build a positive relationship with your loved ones, showing that she understands their significance in your life. Sign 13. She shares vulnerable moments with you. When she opens up and shares her vulnerabilities, it deepens the connection between you. By being emotionally transparent, she shows that she trusts you and feels a strong bond with you. Sign 14. She trusts you with her darkest secrets. Sharing the darkest parts of her past is a sign of deep trust and intimacy. It indicates that she sees a future with you and considers you a significant part of her life. Sign 15. She appreciates your efforts. She acknowledges and appreciates everything you do for her, no matter how small. She values your needs, feelings, and the gestures you make. She will never take you for granted. Sign 16. She is your best friend and advisor. She acts as your confidant, offering you support and advice whenever you need it. She becomes your rock, and you can rely on her just as she relies on you. Sign 17. She celebrates your success. A woman who loves you will genuinely celebrate your achievements and milestones. She will be your biggest supporter, cheering you on and sharing in your joy. Your success becomes her happiness. When you deeply care about someone, the mere thought of losing them can be heart-wrenching. For women who are in love, It's natural to feel a tinge of fear when it comes to losing their partner. However, it doesn't have to be all negative. If both partners share incredible moments together and have intense feelings for each other, it's understandable for a woman to express her concerns if she feels neglected or notices her partner spending too much time with other women. Jealousy in moderation can even be seen as a quirky indication of love. Of course, it's important to ensure that it doesn't escalate into an unhealthy obsession. Ladies, we would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Is there anything else you would add to the list? Your insights are invaluable. And gentlemen, how does your partner make you feel truly loved? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't keep it a secret. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up to show your support and share with your friends. We are dedicated to creating fantastic content just for you. If you're craving more videos like this, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you for your ongoing support.